Hi, parents of Scorpio children. Welcome to Parental Guidance for the month of June. This message may be for adults who are Scorpios or parents of children, whether they be children or adults, Scorpios. So I'm going to do what I've been doing and take a moment to get any messages, signals, and then I will start with the reading. These messages are general. It may not apply to you, and if it doesn't, you can either look at a different aspect of your chart or just don't take it personal. I know that doesn't help you. It may not apply. I can only interpret with what I'm given. So I wish I could make everybody happy, but that's not reality. It's not realistic. So I'm going to take a moment and let's just see what we get. I don't know what it means, but I'm getting an open exotic flower, and it's almost like if the petals were closed up, they're like spreading, or they're like splitting in two to just kind of flare out more, and it feels very beautiful. It feels like growth. It feels like blossoming awareness, being open, being receptive, almost letting go. But it's very freeing and liberating, and it's almost like a breath of fresh air, like I see like either two birds, like nibbling their beaks together, like if they're sharing food, or like a bird. I don't know what bird would do this, but like nibbling on a leaf or a tree branch, or like a flower bud, or just something really close to a flower in a very gentle and nurturing and loving way. And there's some kind of arch, like a boomerang or something. Yep, I see a boomerang. Somebody likes bubble guns, like a gun that blows bubbles. I also see it could also be like a snake sticking his tongue out. Now I see a spider. But the spider doesn't want to hurt anybody. It's just kind of, it's on a web, and it's just coming down, and it just wants to lay on something. All right, let's see what the message is, because I don't know what all that means. Is there something that you don't know? Well, of course, there's a whole bunch of stuff that we don't know, but is there something that you want to know? Perhaps about why a relationship fell apart? Or, you know, why, maybe why something ended? I don't know. What is this? There's either, and it's something about maybe being comfortable, maybe wanting more time with yourself to heal, to work on yourself, to be healthy, and but it's like there's some kind of confusion about something. Yeah, you're getting rid of unhealthy attachments, which is very good. Breaking free of things that no longer serve you. Getting grounded with your root chakra, very important. It's like a fresh start. Like I was saying with the flowers, just opening, a blossoming. Starting over almost. If there was darkness, like creativity was hindered, but you are like the magician. You can make stuff happen. Thank you. Either not accepting the angel of love. This is blocked for some of you. I don't know if you chose to block the angel of love. The angel of love wants to come in, but somehow it's not being welcomed. You're not ready to receive. There is a strategy along with this magician card, and you do have the second chakra of intimacy and creativity. So it's like, don't worry, that's ended. You have strategies and good things coming your way. Angel of strength here. So it's like you are overcoming, and you're going to succeed on whatever path you are supposed to be on. So kudos to you. Yeah, you guys can see that. Probably not as best as I would like, but you can at least see the cards that I'm putting down. This is an overall healthy message. Like I said, that's what I felt when I, was kind of taking a moment. get a vision for this message. Interacting with people, you may be more social. You may feel the need to join with others during this time, or people are going to come your way, but there's more of a community involvement aspect to this. I don't get a good feeling about this woman holding the coin in reverse, but I don't know why. I'm feeling like she's here to take money from you. Yeah, it's almost like she's pulling on, you can't see it, but the coin that she's holding, it's almost like she's trying to pull it from you. More closer to herself. She makes me feel uncomfortable. Be careful that there is a woman that is watching out possibly for weaknesses so that that person can take from you, like take from you financially. Someone who wants to possibly like freeload or I see plots, I see schemes. Somebody that's trying to like find how they can take money from you. I almost feel like this woman values money more than she does you. It doesn't have to be a woman, but it can just be somebody who has a something about themselves where they are financially dependent on other people. It could be a man, it could be a woman. Just be careful of people who are trying to be dependent on you financially. You may feel stuck or lost. But somehow with all this, you will find the means to get out of this. I see sadness. I see, for some of you, it could be sadness over a lost connection. Whether it's with this person holding the coin or somebody else. But I see a lot. I feel heaviness and sadness for a part of this, like having to like regain balance in the midst of having to let go of something. And almost like feeling lost because that's gone, or you don't have that information anymore. I don't feel like this, like I said, I don't feel like this woman is connected to the situation. This person could be, but I really feel like that's a separate energy. That be careful that there may be someone trying to take advantage of you in the midst of you like trying to get yourself together. But I don't feel like that person is going to be successful, because it's like you get an aha moment, you get a strategy, you build your strength up, You build your creativity and you go on your temple path. Now, I don't know what this community card means. Let's see if maybe I can get one more card for this, and then we'll go ahead and break some of this down. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, interesting. You have a plan. You have a plan. You may have people who envy you, bottom of the deck. So you may have somebody who was envious. I want to take a look at these. You're falling out of attachment with this person, which is good. Or there was an end of an unhealthy attachment. We'll figure that out. So I will try to briefly go through these cards and get a better analysis. But it's almost like there is a loss. You feel lost, but in the end, everything comes out okay. So let's go to 41 real quick. Yes, a block in your own intuition and to the potential help and power of the spirit world. So you felt blocked off to be able to see things clearly. Let's go to 14. You got 41 and 14, both in reverse. Yeah, breaking communication and parting of ways of two people, whether romantic, social, or business. The present connection seems to be or close to an end. If this is the case, consider what healthy actions need to be taken to move on. As difficult as a parting may be, it can also lead to bigger and better things. Keep in mind both the logistical and emotional aspects of leaving this connection behind. Make plans, vent your feelings. Always remember that with every ending, a new beginning is at hand. Let's see. It's an indicator that negative patterns, relationships, or a desperate attitude is being released as you let go. Yeah, so it's like you're letting go of old patterns. You will be able to establish new ways of doing things and relating to others. The universe wants to congratulate you on your healthy new approach, but make sure to support the changes you're making in your ongoing choices. Be sure to support the changes you're making in your ongoing choices. Some patterns can be deeply encoded, and you may need to continue releasing old habits while honoring the new decisions in your thoughts, actions, and interactions with others. You've broken the chains, and now you can walk away from the limiting attachments into a bright and unlimited future. So with so you're coming into stability. You're grounded. Let's go to 49. It's like we don't need to keep rehearsing that over again. Okay. Yeah, so there's a disconnect in the matters of the heart that need to be healed. This can signify a divorce or separation. It could imply an emotional rift where two people stay connected only on a superficial basis, yet at a deeper level seems to be going their own ways. It refers to an old separation if the longing remains alive in one person's heart. If you find yourself unable to let go, this loving angel is telling you to release any toxic or unrequited attachment you are holding on to. The universe is waiting for you to free your heart and open your life so that you may be fully present in honoring love that you so rightfully deserve. Look in the mirror and see the angel of love there with you. Know that you are worthy of this tender emotion from yourself and others. You could be getting busy. And I feel like this is for either adult Scorpios or Scorpios, parents of adult Scorpios, or at least like teenagers or older. So either this is talking about the parent of a Scorpio child, or this is for a Scorpio child that is of appropriate age. Cool. So let's go to 1. And we'll go to 2, 2. So it's like a creative project, maybe blocked. You could be feeling that your creativity is stifled. You can find yourself living in darkness of confusion, lack of direction, or even depression. Reclaim your power and take back the emotional control of your life. Stop focusing on the clouds. Like the sun, the light, your soul shines no matter how difficult, what difficulty or darkness may be clouding the horizon. Your power and light are always present, able to bring healing and renewal through strong self-directed choices in any situation. Let go of doubt. Let your creativity come forth. Know that you deserve to shine. Same thing with the journey. You feel stuck. So it says, you may desire to move or just get away for a while, but this card could indicate some delay or even a cancellation. Something could be standing in your way, or perhaps the line of communication may get crossed. Don't let the potential changes upset you. Refocus your energy and be flexible enough to alter your schedule or destination as needed. Remember, you can always create new adventures, even in your present location or situation. 42, you have the woman holding the coin in reverse, right next to the man holding the coin. So we'll see what that's about. You're feeling unsafe or fearful about finances or some health issue. It could be a lack of value in yourself or your own life. Pointing to someone else. When this card comes in reverse, it shows a woman who may be reducing your own money or simply not having your best interests in mind regarding your financial affairs. It could be someone who devalues or criticizes you, causing you to doubt your own value, of course. It could even be that the harmful energies of a woman from the past are still influencing you today. Be aware that you don't have to let anyone else's Be aware that you don't have to let anyone else's negative vibrations influence you at this time. Release any toxic connection and know that you are free to define and value yourself no matter what. So this could be you deciding to value yourself as well. Male connection to money, health, or value. He's sitting in a lush, flowering field holding a giant, bright coin. For men, this could indicate an aspect of yourself and a readiness to further your goals and receive increased health, money, or value in your life. Greater success is on its way when you take control of your own finances and act. This card upright could also reveal the instance of a financial advisor or healer whom you already know and are soon to meet. This man is helpful and may bring sage advice concerning the action you need to take next. Be open to this person showing up with support, but always turn to your own intuitive guidance to weigh the information you receive. If you're a woman, it says it can signify a new love interest with a wealthy man or a man from work. Let's go on to the Magician. Okay. Yes, this is a culmination of someone's spiritual or personal power at this time. You're working on yourself. You got a strategy, you got creativity and intimacy. I want to look at community. Yes, connection with kindred spirits. So it's like you're finding your path and you're finding the people that you need to connect to. And it's a beautiful thing. They're sharing ideas, supportive energy. When this card appears upright, it could indicate associations of some kind. It could be casual connection. It may be a casual connection with like-minded people, joining a club or a community of some sort, even a business partnership consisting of 3 or more entities. The time is right to make such new connections and share intentions, whether they're personal or professional. Networking and community are important as parts of the human experience, and the security and sense of connection may be beneficial to all. Let's see. It's like the happy family card, this could also indicate a party or celebration of some sort. So maybe you're celebrating something. It's true that when several people join their intentions, it accelerates their power in the energetic realm. Receiving this card puts you on notice that the universe is sending some beneficial alliances your way. I'm going to throw this out here. This may not apply to a large group of you, but it could also be that if you are getting over a hurt, you could have some suitors coming your way, whether they be women, whether they be men. But I think that when you let go of the pain that you experience with this other person, this could be the beneficial doors that are opening, where you find, whether it's you go to a party and you meet somebody new, or you there's other people who have good character, and somebody desirable to you. Either it's multiple people that come your way, but I get this passionate draw that there are people that come your way that may be potential romantic partners for you, especially if you're getting over this heartache and this attachment here and reestablishing yourself. So I'm going to leave it at that. I hope that helps you. If not, please let me know in the comment section. Like, shares, always appreciate it. I appreciate all the support that you guys provide to, this program. It would not be possible without you. So if nobody watches it, then it's like, why am I doing this? But you guys continually show me that you do appreciate these messages, and that's why I continue. So I'm going to get off of here, and thank you for watching. Until next time.